This week, I'm gonna show you how to make sushi at home. Today, I'm gonna make rolled sushi or makizushi, but I'm gonna also show you a different type of sushi called Inari. To make today's dish, you might want to check out makisu or a sushi wrapper. I got this at H-Mart for only a few dollars. To make one sushi roll, you need about 7 ounces of rice. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and mix with the rice well. Cut vegetables into thin slices. Cut fried egg. Let's cook carrots. Heat the pan with medium heat. Add oil, carrots, and a little bit of salt. Stir and cook them for just a few minutes. For mushrooms, heat the pan with medium heat. Add oil and mushrooms. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar or white sugar. A teaspoon of soy sauce. Stir and cook them for just a few minutes. Let's make California rolls. Place plastic wrap on top of makisu. Put a sheet of dried seaweed. Add rice on top. Spread the rice evenly. Sprinkle sesame seeds. Flip. Arrange the ingredients in a straight line. Try to place the ingredients a little bit closer to your side from the center line. Hold the ingredients and roll. Hold it for a few seconds. Arrange the shape. Next, let's make sushi with the seaweeds on the outside. Place the smooth side down on makisu. Spread the rice evenly. Make 1-inch space on the top side of the seaweed. Arrange the ingredients in a straight line. Hold it for a few seconds. When you cut California roll, it's easy to cut on top of the plastic wrap. To cut the ones with seaweed outside, prepare a wet towel. Clean and wet the knife each time you cut. Let's make Inari. Inari is fried bean curd. We put rice inside to make Inari sushi. It's sweet and savory at the same time. You can get pre-cooked packets at an Asian supermarket. Open wide the Inari skin or dried curd and fill it with rice.
Good job.
That's my hat. Where do we get this rice from?
This one is from Amazon.
See.
Ah! Yeah, it's okay, you can eat.
It's super fun to make sushi at home, and you can impress your guests. The more you practice, the better you get. Enjoy!